So living here on Long Island, an Italian family, meatballs, sauce, pasta are a must. I asked my grandmother once why my meatballs didn't taste like hers, and she said she just used a couple of ingredients. She used beef. I have here 90-10, but if I could have gotten 80-20, I would have used it. We got some Parmesan cheese, some olive oil, some parsley, some breadcrumbs, and some salt and pepper. But I decided to go with the Be Excellent rub right there. Salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit of paprika. It really brings out the flavor. So we're going to get all these things together. We're going to mix them up. We're going to put them in a pan that's been pammed. And then we're going to put them in the oven, about 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. It really depends upon how large the meatballs are that you're cooking. You're going to see that the meatballs I made were decent size. Also, before you put them in the oven, I always tell everybody to make sure that they're spread out evenly and you put some more ingredients on top. You're going to see that I do that right before I do stick them in the oven. All right. Also, I'm not sure if you heard about the Italian chef who died. Yeah, unfortunately, he passed away. Yep. These are the jokes, folks. Okay, so we're going to continue to knead all the ingredients together. All right, I always like to aerate it a little bit at the end right there. And here we go. We're going to start making our meatballs. All right. Again, make them decent sized. You can always cut them later on, but you want to make sure all of the meatballs are approximately the same size since you're going to be cooking all together. You don't want to overcook some and undercook others. All right. So I'm going to roll them up, put them in the pan, and get these in the oven. Again, we're going to cook these at around 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they're done. Now, with the juices that come off the meatballs, I usually take a little bit of that excess, beef grease, essentially, and I put that into the sauce. Not all of it, obviously, because that's all fat, but a little bit of that just to make that sauce taste a little bit better. Our sauce, we used some pork, we used fresh parsley, some garlic, some onion, some salt and pepper, a little bit of butter. We mixed all that up, cooked it for a little bit till the pork was nice and brown. Then we put it into our sauce. We've been letting that cook for about 4 hours now on a simmer. And it smells real good, trust me. All right, so we used all our meat. Meatballs are all set. Rearranging, and let's go. All right, we added a couple more meatballs in there. We put some ingredients on top, as you can see. We sprinkled some more breadcrumbs, Parmesan, a little bit of the Be Excellent rub, and some parsley. We're going to put it into the oven, and now we wait. Boom. Oh, that sauce. I can tell you right now, it smells good. Talking about Italians, have you heard about this new Mario movie out? Yeah, supposedly Mario woke up one morning and Bowser was in the bed with him. Now that's what I call a Nintendo Switch. All right, meatballs are done. It's been about 25 minutes. Took them out of the oven. They smell great. They look awesome. We're gonna put these into the sauce right now as well. Maybe about 3/4 of them all. The rest we're gonna leave plain. This way we can take them to work the next few days. All right, again, thank you for everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe. And as always, be kind, rewind, rub it, cook it, and eat it. Big Guy Rubs